Samsung and Fiverr are making your work harder, all from your phone. This week, we're looking at getting started as a freelancer. A freelancer is someone who sells work or services by the hour, day, or job, rather than working on a regular salary basis for one employer. Here are a few tips on how to be one. 1. Find a niche in which you have talent. Maybe you speak a second language or have a talent for illustrating. Or maybe you're great at standing in front of a camera and reading from an auto cue. 2. Networking. Spreading the word is crucial. Feel confident in your craft and don't be shy about showing off your skills. Show off your talent on social media, or why not set up a freelancer account on an online platform like, Fiverr. 3. Educate yourself to improve your skills. You always want to strive to be better at your craft. Thankfully, there's a lot of useful information and tech out there that can help you do exactly that.